Prashal, continue.
Okay, what was the topic? Should we have uniforms in colleges? Present your views one by one.
I think we should not have uniform in colleges because we get only one place to style marring.
Yes,
So we
I
should
totally
not
agree
have
with
uniform.
I totally agree with Akansha. We
I
can flaunt our dresses in colleges.
although we don't matlab marring style in college, but it is a place for other students to showcase their fashion skills and dressing skills.
We have enough uniforms in school. Now we are fed up of wearing uniforms in study places.
But I feel like there should be a uniform in our colleges because it will create a uniformity and teacher and students will be able to coordinate well. And I personally love uniforms. That's why. Plus ideas.
I agree with you. Then the teacher will see us from one single that. Nobody can judge us on the basis of our clothing. Everybody will have the same dress, so there will be not any partiality.
But the plus point.
I also want personally that.
But the thing is, when we are talking about the school uniforms in colleges, rather they will place it suit salwar only. They will not place that shirt, pant, and coat one. So I just hate that. It is better to wear jeans and top on regular basis rather than that suit and salwar. So that's why I disagree with school and
but we are
uniform.
But we are in a technical degree. We are in a technical degree, and I think so that in an engineering college, most preferred dresses that shirt and trousers. We would get that only.
But the dress codes have changed now by some passing years because something has happened. So many schools changed their dresses from skirt shirt to that suit salwar. Who used to be there of they used to that school uniform of their school should be that skirt and shirt, but now they have changed to suit and salwar. So maybe if there would be college uniform, then it can be suit salwar. So I just don't want to take any risk.
But if then we will be able to learn dressing sense and styling techniques. Don't you agree? This is a
we can flaunt in colleges. We can see that what is good for us.
Yes, we will be able to learn styling and basic dressing techniques.
Because after college we have to do jobs. So obviously in jobs there is no uniform. So we should have some experience or practice of
some places even have dresses, even have uniform in jobs also. Like if you serve in any army or you serve in any airplane industry or airplane, that's
the different thing. That
we
some
have
professions have their uniform. Yeah, exactly. It's exception.
In reality, we have to learn these kind of things like clothing style, fashion style, basic sense. So this thing will totally help us getting an exposure and implementing on ourselves. In school,
but sometimes Prashal, a uniform is required because student they dress up according to their choices without seeing like they will come and like in movies they wear these short skirts and all. So they better to have a.
But it's not in reality. No one has have ever come in shorts in India, in Indian colleges at least.
It is a code of discipline.
In our colleges, there is no allowance of that lowers and sleepers. You can't wear them in colleges.
You know, we also try to say, "Chalo, aaj black color ka pehen ke aate hain," just to be uniform. So if there would be a college uniform, so we won't have to just choose black color or this color just to make a uniformity in ourselves.
You remember, Sugandha, once we were saying that we should design a t-shirt for our branch, then everybody will wear that only. We will
But matlab, we are talking about that consistency. Na? We want sometimes only. So you can say that in every weekend we have that code that we have to wear school, college uniforms. I mean, that जैसे कि in schools we have Friday and Saturday to wear that PT dress, na. So it should be that like that only in college. That at the weekend you can wear college uniform. Otherwise, you can wear anything you want.
but I
This-
think
Or it could be
students,
like
college
wear-
student looks more smart in dresses. I have seen like my sister, she looks very smart in her college dress.
Yeah,
Yeah.
For that college dress should be very good, na? Not suit and salwar or something very rubbish type.
Like
I
if
also
we
want to
wear
wear
a
that
dress
that
of a particular
pant,
community
shirt and
or
coat. I like
college,
that.
Sugandha,
Yes.
Yes.
अच्छा अरे मैं कह रही थी कि if we मतलब dress up in a मतलब like a particular college or particular school uniform, then we feel more connected to that community. As in VSM, if we wear VSM t-shirt, it feel like we are interconnected. We have some feelings to that particular community as in school. But in college, it doesn't feel like कि I belong to GBPUAT. मतलब अंदर से I don't
you
get
can
that
say
feeling.
that.
If there would be
Yeah,
a
you can
college,
say that.
I would have been feeling this from inside.
Yes.
There can be a university t-shirt which we are free to wear anytime. Like we have a branch t-shirts and club t-shirts, so
Or
that
at
we
the
have.
weekends.
And there are many people who proudly wear, like our seniors, they proudly wear the branch t-shirts or those ESL t-shirts or essay t-shirts. They keep on
Yes.
wearing them whenever they want. So the system should be same like this only.
Yeah, I
Else,
also.
Sugandha,
I
that on
agree.
Saturday and Sunday, we can
Shirt
wear
or-
college t-shirt or anything, but it could be just opposite to that. On Wednesday and Saturday, we can wear anything, whatever we want, and on the other days, we can wear a college uniform. It would be much better.
Yeah, you can say that. But sometimes we can change. Matlab, whatever we want to wear, we can wear. Yes. What you are saying is also good idea.
But then
It help us feel connected and it help us feel same. मतलब level, like everyone is dressed in the same way then.
why are you silent, Parthi?
Mute. You are on mute.
Muted. She's sleeping.
Yeah.
अरे मेरे को नींद आ रही है.
She don't want to discuss on this topic.
This is a very hot topic, I think.
है नहीं यार पता नहीं क्यों बहुत तेज नींद आ रही है. I personally want that there should be a uniform because we have to wash daily clothes. So I would prefer to have 2 to 3 uniform and I'll just wear it for a week and then I'll wash it. And
Yeah.
good uniform like of MBA, like in our college there is a uniform for those ABM students. So I
Agribusiness.
and it looks quite classy even. So the dress should be means I want that kind of dress for my college. And we all like you people were saying that like we should have a dress code or t-shirt for our branch. So we are having you remember that once I don't know who else came up with the agriculture engineering, I think Parag. He has brought some t-shirts and Parag and Siddhant, I guess. They have brought some t-shirts and that hoodies of agriculture engineering. You remember? But we
Yeah, but
failed.
seniors wanted them that why are you doing without our permission? Don't do that business.
We have a
that-
college
they will provide us that t-shirts and hoodies and all.
We have our college
We are
t-shirts.
going to get. I think that we'll go back. We have to. We need to make it, because if we won't na, then we won't have any kind of memory regarding our college.
Yeah, exactly. Because we are so unlucky child that we are not having anything from our college. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
Our ID card are even so sasta.
Yeah.
Even we are not having our ID card.
In school there is better I cards.
Yes, our school I card are so good.
Show my
I want dress for. We will now go. We will select a dress.
We have a college t-shirt. Akansha, do you remember? I was asked to sell college t-shirts.
Yes.
We have that shit also.
now we all are in third year, and the final year is going. Final year will not provide us anything.
We will create one.
Yeah, we have to do it by ourselves only.
Vartika and Akansha, you and Rachel, you guys are having VSM t-shirt and hoodies.
No.
No.
They are not of our sizes. We ordered.
Yeah,
Ayush
I remember
Guglani,
I and Akansha were bullied.
I told
They were-
Ayush Guglani, and he was giving me double XL. He was giving me double XL, and it was like this much big. I said, what I will do? He said, keep it as a memory. Keep it as a memory. I said, no, I want to wear it. Then he said, we don't have other sizes. Go away.
Hoodies also.
Size is a very problem for me to get
Me
it.
also.
Arey Akansha, you should have kept that t-shirt and give it to me only. I can wear that. You can do some charity, yaar.
VSM means charity.
No.
Akansha, why you are not saying anything?
Charity क्या?
Akansha, give my hug.
नहीं तो मतलब what you will do with VSM t-shirt, और वो वैसे भी उसके लिए पैसे भी पे करने थे.
अरे तो you can
free
do,
में
अरे
अपना उठा के आ जाते.
that's what I'm saying na, that you can do a charity for me na by buying that t-shirt for me.
But then I don't got this idea that I can give it to anybody.
If I would be having this idea, I won't give to Sugandha or anyone else. This is not a charity. You don't need any
Shut up,
t-shirt.
Vartika.
You are having enough.
You just keep your mouth shut. Akansha will do it for me.
Then
No.
now, Sugandha, yes,
Why
some
I'm not
people will catch you.
I was asking to that Akansha. I know you will not give me.
VSM people will
Take
catch
our
you on the
Shut
road.
up, I step forward.
Yeah, that's good idea.
Yes, we will make a t-shirt for step
We are
forward.
part
We
of
will
the
make a
Step
design a
Forward.
t-shirt, and then
Yes.
we will get it printed.
Yeah.
Exactly. Very good idea.
Then we will use it when we will go for
Make
jogging.
videos. Yes, we will make videos. We will make videos wearing that. Vartika, we will make vlogs. We will make vlogs by doing this. Like Flying Beast do. He has a mask of Flying Beast, and he posts that videos only. Every day he uses the same mask.
Yeah, that's very good idea that we can print that a step forward t-shirt
Yeah.
instead of doing anything.
Then seeing this, many people on the road will see us, notice us, and they will search on YouTube. Step forward है क्या आखिर? And then our channel will not.
Yes, and we will print a YouTube sign also. Then people will subscribe us.
We will print bada